What's up guys, and welcome to Drive to Thrive. In today's video I want to go over some Amazon charts, as I think we're starting to approach some nice buy levels here. But as always with any chart, there are some bearish signals being flagged here, so let's go over those as well, and I'll tell you about a trade that I have taken on Amazon. So let's go over to my computer and let's get started. Alright guys, let's start off on this daily chart of Amazon right now. So as we can see, after these earnings here, which came down, the revenue was a little bit of a miss here of around 286 million. So a little bit is actually quite a bit for some other companies, but overall it looked pretty good. The guidance was weak, and that's why we had this major sell-off here on a Friday. We were down something like, I don't know if it will tell me here, the lows were down to 97.66. I think it was past 10%. So anyways, I saw this and right away saw an opportunity, because anytime you get these gap downs, I do think they will get filled in the short term, especially on a company like Amazon. So I jumped in and right away I bought a bull put spread here, calling the bottom of $183. So as long as Amazon between now and November 25th manages to stay above this $103 mark, I should be able to keep some of those profits, some of those credits. Now if you'd like me to go over those trades in more of detail, let me know in the comments below. But practically I do think we will get this gap up play right here, which I think should enable me to keep a little bit of cash on the side. So looking at the indicators here on the daily, MACD right now is beneath the zero line, so still flashing some bearishness, and this is what I mean. And then also we are rotating to the downside. If you can see that stochastic RSI has lots of room for it to come back down. So again, I could just see a quick gap up, fills in this gap right here, maybe within the next couple of days, just before the CPI comes out, which I believe is Thursday, I want to say. I'm not 100% sure on that. I think it's either Wednesday or Thursday. So anyways, before then we might see this rally, and then after the CPI data comes out, watch for us to start heading lower again. So this is kind of what I'm preparing for in the next couple of days, and possibly get a quick out, make a quick 150 bucks, something like that, and then get out of this trade. Now for long-term opportunity, I don't think this is the greatest entry yet, although if I zoom out to my weekly chart, you see that this is a strong support level around this $100. So you could be doing worse than buying it in at around $103, but I do think there is possibility for this thing to go down all the way to 80 bucks. So I'm personally not buying any shares yet. I'm still waiting for about those 80 bucks to come in over the next few months, possibly here. Now another thing, if you look at our weekly chart here of MACD, we do see again lots of bearishness. We kind of rotated off of that zero line here. We're coming down. You can see a little bit of separation. If I zoom in here, you can see us starting to speed down, this blue line. So not looking all that bullish on the weekly chart, and also the MACD is down in this oversold territory, so possibly a bounce from here. But again, I do think there's more downside. And if we go over to our monthly chart here, so on the monthly, again, you can see bottoming out on our stochastic RSI, starting to go a little bit higher, but the MACD is still showing a lot of downward momentum. We are curling down, so keep an eye out. Again, $100 is not the worst entry, but let me breathe here. Holy trying to say it all in one breath. So like I mentioned previously, $100 is a nice entry, but if you really want to try to push this a little bit, wait for this 80 bucks. I think this is going to be even more attractive once we get down there. So that is it. Nice, quick and short video, guys. Let me know if you're getting into any kind of trades this week. Hope you enjoyed this as always. Smash the like button to help me out, and we'll see you in another video. Bye bye.